Well, hi everyone. My name is Allison Contreras. I am a sophomore at Marian University studying biology. I am presenting the milk polymer developed by Megan. I will first give you some background information about plastics and bonding. The milk plastics forms due to a chemical reaction between small proteins in milk. This is called a polymer. A polymer is a chemical or molecule made of repeating units. Polymers are covalently linked together. They can be different in shapes from one-dimensional like a paperclip to three-dimensional like a cube. They are found in nature, but they can be created. They are most abundant. They are most abundant in DNA composed by nucleotides. Monomers are a molecule which I will represent by a single bead. Let me show you. See, like single beads. And then a polymer is made out of multiple monomers. They are linked together, and I'll show you like this. They're usually in a pattern. They're usually in a pattern. And now I will show you a video where you will see how the polymer is formed when you mix milk and acid. So now I have a couple questions for you guys that are watching. Why do you think the curds formed when the acid was added? Okay, now what aspects of the acid cause the changes in the milk?
You feel you love her dearly, you do. But it doesn't change the fact that she doesn't love you dearly. You're welcome.
You guys are welcome to unmute if you would like to answer. What causes the acid to make changes in the milk is because the proteins in the milk start to bond and not go like against each other, so not like this. What do you think the curds are made out of? Yeah, somebody answered with polymers, yes, and also the proteins and the fats. The other question is, what other acids do you think you could use? Yeah, someone answered with lemon juice. Yes, you could definitely use that. Is there any other ideas? Well, you could also try it with Coffee and tea, if you have you ever noticed that when you put milk into coffee or tea, it also curdles? Another question is, how did the plastic look before and after needling? Well, if you noticed in the beginning, it looked liquidy, and then after it looked dry and like crumbly, and then it was more joined, but not as separated as it was in the beginning. What do you think will happen if you use other types of milk and not 2% milk? Someone answered more fats may cause larger curds and more separation. Yeah, it might be runnier with skim. Yeah, definitely, because and 2% milk has more fats in it than the other types of milk. What do you think will happen if you use room temperatured or cold milk instead of the heated milk? Yeah, someone answered it won't separate. Yes, definitely. It's if you use colder milk, it won't the reaction won't happen as fast. So yeah, it won't separate. Hmm. How would increasing or decreasing the amount of acid affect how much polymer you get out of it? What do you guys think? Yeah, that's correct. More acid or less polymer. Well, those are all the questions I have. If any of you have any questions about being a college student or any questions for me, yeah, definitely. Somebody answered with, I think at a point you would reach maximum separation, but not sure when that would tip. Yeah, yeah, since there will be less fats for the acid and everything to react together. Yeah, but that's all I have. If anyone wants to ask any questions, do I like college? Somebody asked that. I do like it. I feel like it's a different environment than high school. I really enjoy it. I feel like it's more challenging for me in a way than high school was. I say that in a good way though, because I feel like being like academically challenged through college sometimes helps me like learn how to study and then learn more actually, because in high school I feel like there's some things that would like just slide by because it was easier for me, and here there's some things I have to like work a little harder for to understand. So yes, I do like college. Any other questions?